In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update inventory in Shopify. Whether you're running a bustling online store or simply managing your side hustle, keeping your inventory up to date is crucial for maintaining smooth operations and keeping your customers satisfied. So, let's dive into the process and make sure you're well equipped to handle those inventory updates with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Once there, take a glance at the left-hand panel, where you'll see a list of different options. Look for the Products section and give it a click. This is your gateway to managing everything related to your store's items. After clicking, find the Inventory tab, which will lead you directly to the section where all your inventory tracking magic happens. Now that you're in the Inventory section, you'll notice an overview of all the products for which you've enabled inventory tracking. This feature lets you keep a keen eye on how much stock you have available for each product, which is incredibly useful when you're managing large numbers of items. You'll see the available stock levels displayed clearly, making it easy to assess your current stock situation at a glance. Should you find that you need to update the numbers, perhaps because you've received a new shipment or sold more items than expected, you'll want to focus on these text fields. Look for the field labeled Available, which shows the number currently in stock that customers can purchase. You may also see a field labeled On Hand, reflecting the total number you have physically in your possession. If you need to make adjustments, you can simply click into these fields and change the numbers to reflect your current inventory levels accurately. This feature is particularly handy when restocking or managing unexpected changes in demand. Once you've made the necessary updates to your inventory numbers, you'll want to ensure those changes are saved. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the page, and click it. This is a crucial step because without saving, your changes won't take effect, and your stock levels will remain inaccurate on the store. After clicking, your changes are immediately applied, and there you go. You've successfully updated your inventory in Shopify, ensuring that your online store reflects the accurate amount of stock available for each item. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned a simple yet vital process that keeps your online business running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!